install and use Codex app on Windows. So when you go to the OpenAI official site and then try to download the Codex app just like this. So after downloading the setup just like this, and then you try to open the setup right on your Windows PC, you will see that you will not be able to install it because it's only available on Mac. But I've been able to get the Codex working right on Windows. So as you can see, let me send hi Codex, and you will see that Codex is going to respond and it's working perfectly fine right on my Windows. So let me show you how you can do the exact same thing. So all that you have to do is simply open ChatGPT. Okay, you can select any version of ChatGPT. I'm currently using the free version, and you'll see that this pop-up will come which says that you can use the Codex for free. You can try it for free through the IDE. So when you click on the top arrow, you can come and select any of these, okay? But I'm simply going to use the VS Code, okay? If the pop-up doesn't pop up just like this under the ChatGPT chat, simply come here to where we have these options. You see that we have Codex here. Come and then click on the Codex. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here. Okay, so over here, don't come and then click on the Codex app because Codex app is currently available only on Mac. Okay, so you see that we also have alternative, that is try in your terminal, and then we also have try in your IDE. So when you click on the down arrow, you have the option to select any of these. You can come and then select the VS Code. Okay, so I'm simply going to go to the chat where I have the pop-up, and I'm going to try that one by simply clicking on the down arrow, and I'm going to select VS Code. Okay, so after selecting it over here, come and then click on Open Visual Studio Code. So you have to make sure that you have VS Code installed, and it is automatically going to install the Codex extension inside VS Code for you. Okay, so as you can see, it is installing. You can also see it right from the extensions here. When you click on the extension, you see that the Codex, that is OpenAI Coding AI Agent, is installing. All that you have to do is just allow it to finish install. So as you can see, that's finished installing. Okay, so when it is done installing just like this, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on restart extension. Okay, and that is it. You can simply start using it. So from here, as you can see, Codex is now ready and we can use it. Simply come here and come and click on the Codex logo. Okay, so when you click on it, Codex is going to open just like this, and all that you have to do is simply log in with ChatGPT by clicking on sign in with ChatGPT. So it's going to come, and then you have to come and then click on continue with your Google account, and simply select the email address that you have used to sign into ChatGPT and click on continue, and that is it. You have logged in using ChatGPT. Simply close the page and come back to VS Code. Okay, and over here, all that you have to do is simply come and then continue by clicking on the next, and then on the next again, and then on the next again, and finally when you click on the next, that is it. You see that Codex is now ready, and you can come and then chat with it. So the next important thing is to come and then select the model by clicking on the down arrow. You see that we have all these models that you can go with. So we have the medium, the high, everything, but I'm simply going to go with the default, and then by default it is Codex medium. Okay, so I'm simply going to go with that one. And then the next thing is to also come and then allow the full agent mode by clicking on this. So as you can see, enable full access, come and click on yes, continue anyway. And now it is totally ready, and you can come and then chat with Codex. So I'm going to say hi Codex, and I'm simply going to click on send, but it is not going to go because I have to come and then select a project. Okay, so come and then click on the OK, and you have to create a project by simply coming to click on files and then select the project that you are working in. Okay, if you don't have a project yet, come and then click on open folder, and then over here you can come and right click and then create a new folder for your project. Okay, so you simply come here to new. By clicking on new, simply come and click on folder, and now come and name it. So I'm going to name it as trying Codex. Okay, so that is the project I'm working on, and click on select folder, and that is it. As you can see, we have successfully created a project folder, and that is trying Codex. So now that we have created a project folder, we can simply come and click on Codex again to open it, and we can now come and then chat with Codex by simply clicking on hi Codex. Then I'm simply going to send it, And as you can see, Codex will respond and Codex want us to start working on our project. So this is actually how to get the Codex app right on Windows. Like the video and then see you in my next video.